It was invented by Percy Spencer of the United Kingdom shortly after World War I. Due to poverty, he dropped out of elementary school when he was 12 and started working at a Leighton Electronics company early. One day, he found candy in his pocket, so he could cook food quickly using microwaves generated from microwaves. Later, he experimented with making microwave-safe containers for ultra-high frequency, and the experiment was a huge success. Leighton began selling its products under a patent in 1945, which led to the launch of microwave ovens.